Average distance of Earth from Sun is L1. If 1 year of Earth is equal to d days, 1 year on of another planet whose average distance from the Sun is L2 will be. So we know that the square of time period is directly proportional to cube of average distance, or you can write the value of t is directly proportional to r raised to 3 divided by 2. So you can write the time period of that planet divided by time period of Earth will be equal to r of that planet divided by r of Earth raised to 3 divided by 2. So time period of that planet, we need to find out the value of this Tp. Time period of for 1 year, this is given as nothing but d, and radius of that planet is given as nothing but L2, and that of Earth is represented by L1 raised to 3 by 2. So you can write the value of Tp is equal to d into L2 divided by L1 raised to 3 by 2.